Hey everybody, Mike from LionWise Video Production here. Now, I love creating aerial video. It's some of the most searched content on the web, and it's also some of the most fun to create. Now, what makes aerial photo and video so important? It's the fact that it's a unique and creative angle to view your subject. Sunsets, beaches, and landscapes always look so awe-inspiring from 400 feet in the air. The unique vantage point of an aerial photo or video can show us things that we normally wouldn't see. Now, if you want to use aerial content for your business, you should ask yourself what you want to showcase. Also, ask yourself these 3 questions. 1, is it showing my audience a part of my business that no one knows about? 2, is it practical to showcase something from that angle? And finally, is it even legal? There might be some restrictions based on your area as well. While the maximum flight ceiling is normally 400 feet above ground level, this might change if you're near an airport or attempt to capture anything at night. Now, before you contract anyone to fly a drone for your business, you should first ask if they are licensed to fly commercially with the FAA. A licensed Part 107 operator can not only spot these restrictions, but they can also take steps to apply for authorizations and waivers with the FAA to fly within restricted airspace. Here at LionWise, we ensure that we're not only licensed, but we're also happy to discuss how we can take to the skies to capture the content you need for your business. Happy flying.